Focaccia with olives and herbs.
Bread maker, baby.
Begin by adding water to flour, throw in some salt, yeast, and also some nice olive oil. I use Portuguese. And then mix it. But don't do what I did here. See it? The flour flinging everywhere? Start slow. Mix 4 minutes on slow, 6 minutes on high, and then look at that beautiful window ping. I'm just showing off. It's not in the recipe. Then put it in the refrigerator overnight. Then the next day you want to take a sheet pan, grease it up with olive oil, and then you want to do your morning stretches. Stretch this dough because it's cold. And then you want to let it set for about 2 hours until it gets nice and bubbly like that. And then here comes the fun part. Dimple, 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 dimple. Shirley Temple dimple. And then put in the olives and all of your herbs. And then the next thing you know, voila, you have a gorgeous focaccia. Drizzle with some olive oil and then just dig in to hear that incredible slice and crunch. Ah, isn't that fabulous? Focaccia with olives and herbs. Good God, I made myself hungry doing this voiceover.